Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. Firstly, thank you so much to everybody who got me to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all of my loyal family, friends, new friends, my YouTube friends, Instagram friends. Thank you so much for helping me reach that milestone. I did say a very long time ago that this channel is made by me, but it is actually for you. So let's keep it going. Let's keep that momentum. Don't forget to watch my giveaway video where I'm going to show you everything that I have bought for the luxury 1K giveaway. All the rules are going to be coming up. But today I have for you the Fenty holiday little, what are these called? These are the holiday lip kits. So today I have on, oh my gosh guys, the Chanel Le Beige I have on at the moment, and I have also put all over my face the new Hourglass Ambient palette. It is stunning. You have to watch my other video. Thank you to everybody who watched that. I've got the highlight on, I've got the blush, the bronze, everything, and I've got the Hourglass mascara on as well. I'll link some videos down below. So let's just get into swatching these and putting them on my lips. So the first kit I have is the Mini Stunner Lip Paint. It talks of one stroke intensity, long wear matte finish. Now this was £22. Now the colours are unmatched and underrated. So I'm going to put these on last because these are more, I think they're more pigmented. So at the moment on my lips I have Fenty Fussy, and I'm going to put all of these on. So we've got Baby Brooch, Taffy Tease, Cake Shake and Ruby Milk. Now I love the packaging. I think it's perfect for Christmas and gifting. So in the normal packaging you get 9ml, which I think is a very good amount of product. You've seen my HUDA Beauty 3ml situation. I'll link that down below. Oh my gosh, these are 5.5, so they're just over half. Well, they're over half of the full size. Let me just show you in comparison. So Fenty Fussy is 9ml and 5.5 in the new. So the reason I wanted to go for these, not only was it to show you, but it was because every time I wear any Fenty lip products, I always get questions. So we'll start off with the lightest one, which is called Baby Brooch. I think these are so adorable. You could even buy the set and split them up into stocking fillers for friends or co-workers or family. So this is quite clear. I can see that there are specks of glitter. So let me remove what's on my lips. So that is Baby Brooch. I'm going to really pack it on. So on me, I would have to say it's gone like a creamy, milky shade. It's not bad. You could put this on top of a nude. Yesterday, I put on Hourglass Sublime, and they would go really nicely together to add a bit of a topper and a bit of a shine. I have to say there is a bit of glitter left. Next is Cake Shake. Let's swatch that. So this would go really nicely with a brown lipstick or lip liner, and then you can fill in the middle of your lips. They feel very comfortable. The reflection on these is just perfect. I love it. I think it's very sweet, very dainty, it's very soft, and I do think they're lovely gifts, even for a younger audience, because when you're exploring makeup going really heavy, you can kind of miss your natural beauty as you go along. So really getting youngsters into makeup but slowly is always the best way, rather than following the main trends or fluffy brows or 90s makeup. But let's get the next one on. So next is Taffy Tease. Now I think taffy is a kind of candy or a sweet, like saltwater taffy. I might be completely wrong. Ooh, that's nice. So remember, the one on the far left is an hourglass that I was just showing you. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't have a gloss like this. I really love that. So you could put a peachy nude coral lipstick under this, and if it was too matte, for example, you could really boost it up. This is my favorite so far. And finally, we're going to go for Ruby Milk. That's really nice. If you wanted to take a break from a bold lip with a wing liner, you could just put this on. I think that's really sweet. Really nice. What do you guys think so far? Let's try the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint, Mini Stunner Lip Paint next. Oh wow. So it's a very short wand. Yeah, it's definitely a fluid. We'll see how that dries down when I try it on the lips. What I might just do is swatch them both now for you. My gosh, that red is just perfect for fall, autumn, winter, Christmas, parties. Oh, I absolutely love it already. So on me, I can see already that this in real life is a mauvey pink. Now that I'm using it, I don't mind the wand, but I think it's too tiny. It could have been touched longer. Yeah, so this definitely seems to be drying down matte. The formula. The formula just feels great. Absolutely love this. The colour isn't my cup of tea, but I think it's a lovely colour, if you get what I mean. Oh wow. I think I'm going to need some makeup remover. I'll be back in a sec. There's something voluptuous about these when you're putting them on. So guys, that's the red. I have had a bit of difficulty putting it on, so you definitely need to consider a lip liner, because this bit is bleeding a little bit. However, final thoughts. Gifting, treating yourself, both approved. Reasonable price, great value. Absolutely excellent quality. You cannot fail with these. In fact, I think I need to get some more so that I can gift to my friends and family. Thank you so much to everybody who's continuing to support me and watching my channel. And let's just keep going, and let me know if you have any requests. If I also want to keep doing the tutorials, let me know if you go ahead and get these Fenty lip kits, because I highly recommend them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next one.